My name is Delaney and I'm a first-year master's student in the Health and Wellness Lab at the University of Calgary, and I will be taking you through the Tandem Walk or the Drunk Walk today from your ACE home-based maintenance program. So this is a great balance exercise that will help you complete daily activities throughout your everyday life. As we all know, balance is incredibly important. I will be showing you a couple levels of difficulty for this exercise as we go through it, but as always, just choose what you're most comfortable with and feel the most safe doing, but also one that challenges you a little bit to improve your balance. We do have a disclaimer up on our website right now, the Health and Wellness Lab website, so be sure to head over there and check that out before beginning any at-home exercise program. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to us via email at ace@ucalgary.ca. Okay, so the drunk or the tandem walk. The great thing about this exercise is that you can do it anywhere in your home without any extra equipment or anything like that. You just need your body and preferably a straight line on the ground. So if you have tile, hardwood floor, anything like that, you can use those lines just to make sure that you're heading in the right direction in a straight motion. I will just be using the edge of my yoga mat here. It's a pretty clear, distinct line for me to follow. And we will be using a tandem gait. So just one foot in front of the other like this, and that's how you will continue walking. That's a tandem gait. To make this exercise more difficult or to make it harder to balance, what you can do is change your gaze as you're walking. So the easiest way to complete this exercise is walking forward and focusing on one point on the floor. So that will help you keep your balance as you're walking. To make it a little bit more challenging, you can just focus straight ahead on the wall in front of you. That will make it a bit harder to balance. And then the hardest way to do this forwards is to close your eyes. So you can close your eyes, try and walk heel to toe forward. I prefer to have my eyes open and looking at something to keep me balanced, but that's just me. And then another way to increase difficulty or to change it up a little bit is to walk backwards. So you can begin your walk forward like this, and then once you hit the end of your line or where you want to turn around, you can begin to walk backwards as well, using your arms as balance if you need be. Also more challenging to keep your arms at your side. If you have some difficulties with balance or you don't feel too comfortable doing this on your own, you can walk alongside a wall as well. And that way, if you feel the need to reach out and balance against something, then the wall can be right there and you can be safely supported that way. Other alternatives to this balance exercise could be the tree pose. So just having your leg up against your knee, above or below your knee, not right against your joint, just balancing like that. You could do a 2-foot eyes closed balance or a single leg eyes open or eyes closed balance, up to your preference. Yeah, so that's the drunk or the tandem walk. I hope you guys are enjoying your at-home exercise programs.